Welcome to the Medical and Health Information Literacy Tutorial. This is Layal Hnaini from Saab Medical Library. As we have discussed previously about the foreground and background questions, it's now about time to know where to locate this information from. We are to locate them from different databases. What do I mean by a database? A database is a set of information which is processed data, analyzed and evaluated data. It can be in the form of statistics, peer-reviewed articles, chapters, guidelines, procedure videos, quizzes, so on and so forth, or it can be a combination of either. There are two different types of databases. The keyword databases, which is the dumb, silly way of searching, and the controlled vocab database, which we are going to study and tackle in the coming videos, which is the relevant, smart way of looking into information. Why is that? Because the keyword database would give me the mentioning of what I am typing, versus the controlled vocab or the bibliographic medical databases will give me the articles that are talking about or indexing a specific concept. So one famous example of a keyword database is Google. So if I type in mad cow in Google, it would give me a madman kicked a cow, a mad cow kicked a mad crowd was passing and a cow passed by, a mad cow as the disease. However, when I key in mad cow in PubMed, Medline, Embase, or any of the medical bibliographic databases, I'll be getting about the mad cow disease. Usually, we use the medical databases, bibliographic databases, to solve foreground questions or questions that tackle two or more concepts at a time. Some other medical databases, like Clinical Key, which is a combination of many of the information that I previously mentioned, is used as a keyword database to allow me to retrieve background questions.